Hi, my name is Shilpa Desai and I'm from California. I'm mother of Nikhil, who is an 8th grade student in FCUSD school district. I have been sending my son to NESA for the past few years. Nikhil joined the STEM program as a 6th grader and the program increased his confidence in science immensely. It helped him with getting a better clarification of science concepts and improved his grades. He has also taken coaching for programming in Python from NESA. NESA coaches worked diligently with him to get his concepts clear. They coached him to understand the subject in detail, and it helped him with a current project for a NASA competition. NESA coaches not only teach the concepts but also go over minute details to clarify any doubts the students have through examples and solving questions. I would highly recommend NESA for all students in high school to improve their grades and lessen their stress levels. Thank you, NESA.